Hey guys, it's me, Universal Monster, and I'll be doing shit for an hour. So yeah, I'm just trying out shit, but yeah. So right now, there's doing some like game dev bullshit. I'm I have not prepared for this, but so what this, I don't know if I'm gonna fit it in an hour, but I'm gonna try to just do some game dev. And what I'm currently trying to do is I'll just start the timer since I'm gonna play the game or whatever, demonstrate it. Bam, an hour. Alright, so you see this? You can't fucking see it because it's not on the fucking monitor. Alright, let's just put the monitor on top like a dingus. Alright, so Inception aside. So, wait, what the, oh yeah. Okay, so this gray square area rubber, that's the game, alright? And I'm just using this file or whatever, this project, to fuck around and see how I'd like to actually make a game or whatever. So is it scaling right? Like it's small and then it's just small elsewhere. But I'm trying to make it where, yeah, see, there's nothing. I click, boom, it spawns something. And I just want it to where, like, if I click and drag, God, that's a lot of shit in the output. Every time I move my mouse, alright. Dude. At every mouse position. I'm fucking around now. Also, sorry if I cough. I'm gonna try to not do that shit. Can I mute it? I don't have the fucking hotkey on this frickin' thing. But yeah, so if I click and drag, I'll spawn those white squares so I can get a feel for this Tilemap bullshit and see if I want to make the tiles bigger or smaller, because right now they're at 40 by 40. So my throat has been screwed. Alright, so let me turn the monitor off so you see this shit. My throat is not good for talking, but I got water right next to me, so hopefully I can wet my whistle and it won't be that much of a problem. I'm not exactly sick, just dealing with like some phlegm or whatever from dirty air, but that's kind of taken care of a little bit. Anyway, so filters. Let's, bam. I have the you can't see OBS right now. Anyway, I got like a scaling resolution thing. So when I hit the frickin' crop filter to zoom in on just crop the for the text bullshit to be on screen, then it fits the thing and it doesn't just like get smaller because I cut shit and then I have to readjust it again. So I have like a resolution, a scaling, yeah, it's called resolution, right? The like X and Y, like the 480p, whatever fucks. Anyway. So we have board tile, which is the white square. We put an instance of it in a var, and we add it to the fucking scene. Then as a child, then we set its position by want its position to depend on the mouse position. But to depend on the mouse position, I have to put the mouse position to the Tilemap position, which is like map to world, or it's world to map, I believe. But let me see here. Trying to clear my throat without clearing my throat in a gross way. It's world to map. Return the tile map coordinates corresponding to the absolute world position given as an argument. Return the tile map coordinates. Yeah, okay, alright. It said tile map first, so I thought like it was backwards. So how am I going to do this? It's probably been done like by other people easily. But alright, so we'll probably need another var. So var b equal that's backspace. I'm going to turn my lamp on so I can see my frickin' keyboard. Mouse, is it global mouse position? Mouse, get global mouse position. Okay. Copy. Put that in there. And print B. Place again. Y'all can't see it. But you can see the output thing a little bit, I guess. Probably shouldn't have cropped it that bad, so I'm going to fix the crop for a little bit. Let's see, bottom is 50. It should be better. Alright, where the frick? Okay, click. Shit. Non-existent function get global mouse position in base node. Then how the hell do I use get global mouse position? canvas item. Okay. Canvas item. Get low. That's again in our canvas item. Mouse enter, mouse exit. Speed. Input warp mouse position. Viewpoint. I don't know what the heck that is. Base button. Canvas item again. Okay, this. Viewport again. How about just get mouse position? I assume that won't work. Get viewport. Wait. Would that work? Because there's a thing that's like, hey, viewport. Invalid call, non-existent function in node. Alright, then what about get viewport? I don't know what that does. Viewport 542. Wait a minute, is that the node ID or whatever? The frick? No, the object ID is 556. 542, 557, 558, and what the heck? 542. Oh yeah, that's the root. Okay, but shit. Canvas item, no. Node. Wait. Help. Here we go. Viewport. Get the mouse position relative to the viewport. Vector 2. I mean, I tried. Mouse position. Let me read this shit. Creates a subview in the screen. I don't think I'd be able to do get camera. Cause like get viewpoint or whatever is in the node thing because I'm doing shit with the node. Then how do I go to viewport? Like, wait, do I just... Get viewport, get mouse position. It works. It fucking works. Now it works. Okay. Alright. That'll work for now, because, like, global mouse position would probably be better, but the viewport or camera, whatever the fuck, isn't going to change. Not in this sense, so... Alright, so that's B. Now... C would be... Now we want that vector mapped to world. Var C equals B dot world to map. But that's a Tilemap thing, right? So do I have to get node world to map or whatever? I'm probably gonna have to do that shit. Wait, how was that vector 2 world position? Okay, so B is the vector 2, so I can just put B in there. Alright, so get node tilemap dot world to map B, and then we print C. Ten 8 0 0 18 18, huh? 1 0 4 0 2 0 3 0 29 by 19. All right, seems like it works. I could maybe simplify that, but right now I just want to get it working if I can. So A set position to map to world. I'll just var d equals literally the same thing, except it's map to world, map to world, and C. And then just to see it, print D. Just to make sure I'm doing shit right. 520 to 80. Alright, okay. 1613, and it's coordinate 0, 0, and it's 0, 0. 4514 is 1, 0, and it goes back to 40, 0, because that's the position of the coordinate. Alright, so it works. And now, because D is a vector 2, I can just set pos to D, right? Oh, yeah, boy. It's working, but I mean, all right. Let me turn monitor back on. Let's put the timer above monitor. All right, cool. 40 minutes. All right, so yeah, boy. Let's fill it up with squares. And it's so if I hover my mouse in this one area, it's just making a square over this area like 10,000 times. And fucking if we go to debugger, we have 700 shit in there. Alright, so just wanna do should make a right clicking function. So yeah, that's kind of a problem. But I just kind of wanna just see if I can make some blocks and roads or whatever. And then that would be the player or whatever. Sorry. So, okay, alright, so it's all gray, has no aspect ratio bullshit. Let me go project settings, or should be a scaling one, rendering, display, stretch mode, 2D, stretch aspect, keep. I'll fuck with it. So I'm doing shit. Alright, so let's do this. Boop. Yeah. And now full screen. It's a little bigger. And it has the aspect bars on the side. Whew, okay, so one dot in the middle. Shit. I don't want to waste time making it perfect, but I don't like. Yeah, I'm gonna have to 30 minutes. All right, so how do we check to see if something's in that tile map? We gotta check to see if the object is at position. All right. All right, so we don't actually need this right now. We can put that at the bottom. So, whoa, excuse me. Let's see. Oh yeah. Let's turn off the monitor. All right, so how do we check for any objects? Object. That's position. Node pos shit. Okay, so what I want is I guess I should look in Tilemap. So get cell. Alright. Return the tile index of the reference cell. That's gonna suck. Because I'm not actually using tiles. Turn cell size. Index of the cell reference by the vector. Collision mask, collision stuff. Return an array of all cells containing a tile from the tile set. That could be useful if I had like dummy cells or dummy tile set. So I can just be like, hey, there's a thing here. Actually, frick. I've actually done something like that before when I was making my board game check for when it makes a board game tile. I should try and bring it up. Should be stats and pieces. Do I have? I do not. Alright, so here's the monitor again. Alright, so it's probably in the board one. So should I show this shit off too? This is not going to translate well, but new game, let's board. Okay, so it makes a random board or whatever. And press R, it rolls frickin' dice. Wow, you're too poor. It tried to take some money, but I don't have money. Whatever. So available cells, array of available cells. Yeah, and I'll, oh my god. Okay, let's go back to here. Turn the monitor off. And, let's do this, and then man, this is gonna screw me up. So instead of get node tile map, I can just put in map. Putting in a lot of work for something that's just like a tool for me to like try and gauge how I want the resolution of shit to be. Holy crap. Okay, so clear this. Get down. Alright, so, and now to turn monitor back on so I can go back over here. Available cells. So for X and for X in range and Y in range. All right, okay. So let's turn the monitor back off, and well, let's turn monitor back on so you can actually see the frickin' game. Okay, so if I click here, yeah, so the coordinates are 29, 17, but it starts at 0, 0, so do I go up one? 30 and 18? Chop. I gotta do eye drops. Too bad I want to take trash out later. Anyway, turn monitor off, turn this back so you can see the text better. Oh wow, 3D bug. Oh, errors. Is inside tree true? It returned to the tree. I'm just giving a hard time to the program now. So if we just paste this crap in, board width, which is 30, and for board height, which is 18, should put all that shit into available cells, and it just goes through I hope this works, but it should put all the numbers in for available cells. So it'd start with 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3. And if I go to debugger, oh no, it's inside the tree. Main 5 is inside tree true. Why? Wait, it says 5. It's just a variable, it's just an array. Why are you complaining? It's literally just a stupid array. Alright, alright, so live scene tree main, and I have it frickin' blocked out. But thing, what was, oh yeah, it's the preload. Available cells, array 0. Oh yeah, that's because I hadn't clicked yet. I hadn't clicked on the game to make something spawn. Alright. Now it says array 54, and we got 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, all the way up to 0, 17, and then it goes 1, 0. So it does exactly what I want it to do. Except, I don't want to do it every time I click, so I'm going to just put it in the ready function so it just does it automatically. Once. So we have all of that in available cells. And I have 20 minutes. Okay, turn monitor back on. Alright, so now we have all those available cells. We get whatever current cell is, and we erase it from available cells. The vector2 so basically we set the variable to vector2, which would be the map position, and then we erase it from the available cells. So if that's that's the wrong Godot thing. Turn monitor off. Alright, so that should be C, world to map, and it gives us the map coordinates. So map chord, and then world chord of map chord. Alright, cool. Mouse position. Oh my god. Add square to scene tree. Set toss of square. All available map coordinates coordinates. All right, so yeah, so after we set it there, then we go to available cells dot erase C. Alright, so if I play it, Available cells is 54. And the first one is 0, 0. Alright. So if I put a square in the 0, 0 coordinate, now it says array 53 and it doesn't have 0, 0 in it. So now what I can do in this code alright, so if I'm going to let it do, it's going to do its calculation bullshit thing. Then it's going to check if chord is available. If available cells dot has C then do all this crap. Else print you fucked up. There is nothing but broken dreams and milk duds. Oh, sorry. It couldn't contain that one. I was laughing. Oh God. How much? I got 12 minutes. I'm gonna do something fancy. So this print here, it's gonna print well, shit. Var E equals 0. Dumb print counter. Just be a little fucking fancy. Square num and then plus the string of E. No. E plus equals 1. Okay. That should hopefully work. Alright, so I'm going to turn on the monitor so you can see the game. Alright, so square number 1, square, fuck. I guess it should be plus equals 1. And if I try to click on a square that is not available, you fucked up, there's nothing but broken dreams and milk. You probably can't see it that well. I'm going to just for special thing filters add crop top 500. Really? Oh, it's because it's after the thing. All right, so filters, let me just, can I move this one up? Fine, right, 500, 900. Does that work? Yes. You can see that you fucked up. There is nothing but broken dreams and milk duds. All right. All right. Let me rename to debug. All right, we can turn that off now. But turn monitor back on. Oh, I put another square. Equals +1. Error parsing it. Then how? It should be plus equals 1, right? But apparently it doesn't change. It keeps saying square number 1 instead of 2, 3, 4. Fine. E equals E plus 1. There, is that 1, 1, 1, 1. I'm supposed to be setting the variable to a different value. E equals E plus equals 1. Unexpected assign. Wow, you stupid. But E plus equals 1. Oh, that's okay. Well, I didn't actually need it. Oh, no, I'm an idiot. It's because it sets E to 0 every time I click. So So the only way it would do it is if I have it up here. I get it now. I get it. All right. So that's a bust. Anyway, I'll just do square placed. So instead of, all right. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So should be like 100 if I did it wrong. But no, we have 10. We have 10, so it done the thing. Now, that's probably all I have time for, because we only got 3 minutes. But I want to do a right-click one. So if I go to, am I still in monitor? I am. So you can actually see this now. So go over here, project settings, input map, UI B, which would just be right click, mouse button, right button. So do I have to do it in reverse? I think I'll just make another array. Wait. Okay, it apparently does not do that debug bullshit where it's screaming at me. I'll turn monitor off now. Let's copy this. Aku cells. So they're occupied. All right. So I think I just copied the same thing. Paste. Right clicking, change this to B. It'll do the same thing to get the mouse position. And hold on. Available cells erase C and occupied cells dot append C. All right, and so if occupied cells has C, then do not add shut up. So don't do this. Oops. Actually, I can just comment them out. Erase square from existence. 'Cause we're playing God here. Too bad you won't erase everything from existence. But so just to finish things up a little bit. Occu cells erase, and then available cells dot append C print square erased, and then print what the hell should I print here? You can't do that. It illegal. I'm calling Taco Bell police. And I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna just do this for the Godot one. I'm going to turn on the debug thing again. And so here we are. We place square, and we right click, it says square erased. And if we right click again, you can't do that, it's illegal bullcrap. So there, now I can see it better. I'm calling the Taco Bell police. Alright, so hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a comment down below if you liked anything in this video, and I'm gonna go do eye drops, I guess, even though I need to take the trash out. But I gotta do priorities, because I can't just do things all at once. Anyway, so yeah, take care, bye.